So what's the name of this zoo?
It's the Animal Adventure Park.
Animal Adventure Park. What was it? Sicilian donkey? And you wanted to know if it looked like pizza.
Yeah, it eats pizza. It's Sicilian.
What'd you feed him, Mace? Come here, little buddy. See? Hi.
You doing, Philip? We're gonna be oh, carrot coop. I got a carrot for you. Damn.
So this is a yak. Yakety yak.
I already got enough.
For those that remember that song, Yakety Yak, Don't Come Back. Barbary sheep. I guess that's how you say that.
See, I'm even.
No, my camera's not food. You're trying his head like he's on the...
Yeah.
What the hell are you holding?
Yeah. Whoa.
I mean, they're in the swamp. You stink after a while too, don't you?
Just looking around.
Zuzu.
A Zuzu. What's the difference between a Zuzu and a zebra?
Maybe that's its name.
Oh, that's his name.
I think so.
Is that Tommy?
Zebras, look up from the food. Look up.
They're too busy eating.
Hello, there you are.
Got hella bread.
Here, I'm gonna put them right here, and then you can pick them up with your fingers.
Right.
That it is. We're all like just hanging out. Hello, what?
Oh, there he is. Oh, look at this penguin. What is it?
Look at Imagine I running around in your basement.
Hell no.
Jack.
Why is he like that though?
Where's he going?
I don't think he knows where he's going.
Look at him hanging on the thing.
I would not be able to catch it.
John, go look up left.
You ready to go see some more stuff, baby girl?
The non-dog died.
Let's go.
Yeah, you got the
Look right there.
slow sloth and the fast armadillo.
Joey's.
Is that one sleeping though?
Yeah, it's sleeping.
This
Oh,
Joey,
You can see it. You can see it breathing.
There's birds.
this Joey from Friends.
He's back. He's slow. No big
Why
fight.
is that one walking so slow? Maybe she's pregnant or something?
Okay, guys, come here. I put my whole hand.
Oh, get out of the way.
You know, bro. What the fuck?
Okay, no, there you go. Now you can feel it. Now you can feel it.
His tongue is gritty.
The finger looking good is right out of the bucket.
KFC right out of the bucket. Go to the left.
No, you're good.
There you go.